In a cozy woodland village nestled among tall trees and vibrant flowers lived four close friends: Benny the brave bunny, Clara the shy squirrel, Felix the clever fox, and Gina the gentle deer. They cherished their time together, exploring the forest and sharing laughter. One sunny morning, however, the sky darkened as a sudden storm swept through. The winds howled and rain poured down, knocking down the bridge that connected their village to the enchanted meadow. This bridge was crucial, as it led to an exciting festival planned for that very evening. With determination in their eyes, Benny rallied his friends. He encouraged them to put their fears aside and work together. They each brought unique strengths to the table. Clara used her quick feet to gather fallen twigs, Felix cleverly devised a plan for the bridge, and Gina's gentle nature kept everyone motivated and united. As they faced obstacles while rebuilding, Clara felt hesitant at times, scared of failing. But with encouragement from Felix, she learned to trust in herself and her friends. Once the bridge stood firm and strong, they joyfully crossed it together, reaching the meadow just in time for the festivities. Laughter and joy filled the air, reminding them that true friendship is about helping one another and forgiving mistakes, especially when times get tough. In unity, they discovered that trust and care are what make their bond shine brightest.